Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto via the manual in mobile, only ways. Start by backing up your save, then copy the manual files into the game directory on your phone and grant storage permissions. Next, configure touch controls to match the manual layout, disable Cloud Sync to avoid conflicts, and test each control in a safe in-game area until everything responds smoothly and predictably. Map controls carefully and take your time tuning them for comfort and accuracy. Use small adjustments to sensitivity and dead zones, then test in a calm in-game area like a parking lot. Save distinct profiles for driving, shooting, and free roam so switching is instant. Practice transitions between profiles until muscle memory builds, and keep incremental backups so you can revert if an update resets settings unexpectedly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long mobile sessions and is great to have on your desk while you configure controls. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find this bottle and similar accessories. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If things misbehave, start with a reboot and confirm file permissions are set correctly. Clear the app cache and reapply the manual files if the game does not detect changes. Try an external controller to verify the manual works as intended, which helps isolate touch input issues. Keep a log of each tweak and test so you can backtrack efficiently, and join community threads if you encounter device-specific quirks that need creative fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.